Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by optimizing the physical and software inputs. Position a directional mic 6-12 inches from your mouth and point its null toward noise. Once connected, create a dedicated track in your recording program, or OBS, and add a noise gate plugin. Set the threshold so quiet background falls below it, then tighten attack to 520 milliseconds and release to roughly 150 milliseconds. This immediately removes low-level hiss and room tone while preserving your syllables. Once the gate is active, move to spectral cleanup. Record a short clip of the room noise alone and use it to create a noise profile in your denoiser. Apply spectral denoise conservatively. Start with 6 to 12 dB reduction and listen for artifacts. Then use an EQ. Engage a high-pass filter around 80 to 120 Hz to remove rumble and sweep to find and attenuate any resonant peaks. Make small, surgical cuts to preserve vocal warmth so the voice remains natural. Finish by taming dynamics and removing remaining bleed. Insert a subtle multiband compressor to even levels without causing pumping. Keep low ratios and slow attack. Use a transient shaper or zoom in to manually remove or reduce isolated sibilants, clicks, or speech bleed. Once done, test with the original noisy source to confirm improvement. If you hear warbling or musical artifacts, reduce denoise strength or use spectral repair to patch problem frequencies. This troubleshooting step usually fixes the worst issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.